Hello guys, welcome to my channel Swam Tutorials and I am Swam. Today we will be going to learn class 7th Mathematics chapter 1 Integers part 3. If you haven't seen the part 1 and the part 2, the link is in the description. You need to watch the first part 1 and then part 2 and the part 3. So before beginning today's class, I would like you to request subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to get the notifications of the new upcoming videos and also hit the like button. So let's begin today's class. So in today's class we will be going to learn multiplication of integers, that are multiplication of positive and negative integers, multiplication of two negative integers, multiplication of 3 and more than 3 negative integers, and properties of multiplication in integers. Multiplication of positive and negative integers. If we multiply a positive integer with a negative integer, we get the product as a negative integer because plus into minus is equal to minus. For example, a is plus 5 and b is minus 2. The solution is a into b is equal to plus 5 into minus 2. Plus into minus is equal to minus. So 5 into 2 is 10. So the product of plus 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. Multiplication of two negative integers. If we multiply two negative integers, we get a positive integer because minus into minus is equal to plus. For example, a is minus 5 and b is minus 9 means the solution is a into b is equal to minus 5 into minus 9 is equal to minus into minus is plus. So the answer will come in plus. So 5 into 9 is equal to 45. So here plus 45 is the product of minus 5 and minus 9. Multiplication of 3 or more than 3 negative integers. In the product of 3 or more than 3 integers, if the number of negative integers are even, the product will be in positive integer. For example, a is minus 2, b is minus 6, c is minus 3 and d is minus 7. So solution is a into b into c into d is equal to minus 2 into minus 6 into minus 3 into minus 7 is equal to minus into minus plus, and 2 into 6 is equal to 12 plus 12 into minus 3 into minus 7. So plus into minus is minus 12 into 3 is equal to 36 is equal to minus 36 into minus 7. So minus into minus is equal to plus. 36 into 7 is 252. So plus the product is plus 252. In the product of 3 or more than 3 integers, if the number of negative integers are odd, the product will be in negative integer. For example, a is minus 3, b is minus 4, c is minus 9. Solution is a into b into c is equal to minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 9. So minus into minus is equal to plus. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So plus 12 into minus 9 is equal to plus into minus minus. 12 9 is 108. So the product is minus 108. Properties of multiplication in integers. There are 7 properties of multiplication in integers, that are closure under multiplication, commutativity of multiplication, multiplication of 0, multiplicative identity, associativity for multiplication, distributive property, making multiplication easier. The first property, closure under multiplication. For any two integers a and b, a into b is an integer. For example, minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to plus 2 is an integer. Another example is plus 5 into minus 10 is equal to minus 50 is an integer. Commutativity of multiplication. For any two integer a and b, we say that a into b is equal to b into a. For example, a is minus 3 and b is plus 2. Solution, a into b is equal to b into a is equal to minus 3 into plus 2 is equal to plus 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6 is equal to minus 6. Multiplication of 0. When we multiply any integer with 0, we get the product as 0. Example, minus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. Another example, 0 into minus 23 is also 0. Multiplicative identity. When we multiply any integer with 1, gives the product as the same integer. For example, minus 67 into 1 is equal to minus 67. Another example is 1 into minus 93 is equal to minus 93. In the last class, we have read about the additive identity, that was 0. So, the multiplicative identity is 1. Associativity for multiplication. For any three integers a, b and c, we say a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. For example, a is minus 3, b is 2 and c is minus 9. The solution is a into b into c is equal to minus 3 into 2 into minus 9. So plus into minus is equal to minus. So 2 9s are 18 is equal to minus 3 into minus 18. So minus into minus is equal to plus. 18 3s is 54. So the product of minus 3, 2 and minus 9 is plus 54. Another example is a is 4, b is minus 6, c is minus 7. The solution is a into b into c is equal to 4 into minus 6 into minus 7. So plus into minus is equal to minus. So 4 into 6 is equal to 24 is equal to minus 24 into minus 7. Minus into minus is equal to plus. So 24 7s are 168. So the product of 4 minus 6 and minus 7 is plus 168. Distributive property. For any three integers a, b and c, we say that a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Also, a into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. For example, 16 into 10 plus 2. Using distributive property, we can write as 16 into 10 plus 16 into 2. So, the formula is a into b plus a into c is equal to 16 into 10 plus 16 into 2 is equal to 160 plus 32. The product is plus 192. Another example is minus 4 into minus 2 minus 7. Solution. Using distributive property, we can write as minus 4 into minus 2 minus minus 4 into minus 7. The formula is a into b minus a into c is equal to minus 4 into minus 2 minus minus 4 into minus 7 is equal to plus 8 minus minus 28. The product is plus 36. Making multiplication easier. Using commutativity, associativity and distributive property, we can make multiplication easier. But among these three, the distributive property is the very easier than the others. Here are some questions. You can try this at home. So here we end our part 3. If any doubt, please comment down in the comment section below. Before ending our part 3, I would like you to request subscribe my channel, which is free. Press the bell icon to get the notifications of the new upcoming videos and also hit the like button. So thank you everyone.